Hello and welcome to AMPRO. This short video will show us how we receive inventory items through purchase orders created from a job. So let's have a quick look at the item I'm going to use. So in inventory, we're going to use a 4-inch bearing, and as you can see, we've got one on hand. So we're going to create a job. So we're now going to go to inventory, add that item. And we need 5 of them for this job. And because we need to get the job started, we know we have one in store, so we're going to issue one. But while we issued one as well, we're going to have to create a purchase order, and we're going to order 5. So the order quantity is 5. It's using the estimated value to get that figure there. So now that I've ordered 5, I'm going to receive 5. They've been received, and we're going to receive all to the job with the balance going to the store. So ideally, we want 4 more going into the job and 1 going into the store. So I go OK, go save. Now, if we open up our inventory item, you can see now we have one in because we had one, we issued one, reset it, open up the job. And we now got an actual quantity of 5 being used. So that's how it's received in that regard. Now let's do that same thing with the quantity on hand in the store, showing us a quantity of -2. Now that shows us that -2 just so we can keep a track on what's going on, even though elsewhere it shows it as 0. But all right, so there's -2. We know that's not possible, but there's just keeping track of these things have been issued with obviously not being held carefully in the store. So this time we're going to create a job. I guess we have none in stock. Come across here. We need 5 to get this job done. We now create a purchase order. And we can receive 5. Keeping in mind we had minus value in there to start with. We go OK. So we close out of here. Nothing gets changed there because we ordered 5 and all 5 got issued to the job. Okay, so we'll do that again now. That this time we'll have a minus value in the store, issue some to the job, and still receive some. So we need 5 for this job. Just to confirm, we have a minus value of 1. We have a value of -2. This time we're going to add 1. They found one sitting on the shelf somewhere and they've used it. So that should probably take the stock on hand now to -3. Which it does. That's fine, that's just tracking it. We're going to create a purchase order. And we are going to receive these 5 and receive them to the job. And the balance going to the store. Now what happens this time is we should, if I was to open up the job, you can see here we've got an actual quantity of 5. That's exactly what we want. If I open up the inventory item, you can see we have 1. Reason being is we wanted 5. We actually issued 1 to the job, and then we needed to order 5, so we did. 4 of them went to the job, and 1 went in the store. It doesn't make sense to go from -3 and we added 1 to go to -2. Because you're actually saying you put 1 on the shelf. So we're just basically doing a stock take at the same time as saying we received 1 and parked it on the shelf.